I made all this money purely from deving meme coins on chain, and in this video I will be doing a live example on how to professionally dev coins on the Solana blockchain. All in this video I will be on gatekeeping the method. Keep watching. Now the reason why I started deving meme coins instead of trading is because there is no initial risk. Most people in this market are broke, they do not have thousands of dollars to start trading, so I would highly recommend to start deving. Some people might not like devs, but if it makes money, I don't care, bro. I'm sure you do not care too. That's exactly why I'm making this video, bro. I will show all of you guys exactly step by step on how to dev meme coins professionally. Now also, bro, there is a bunch of other perks. I can explain it briefly. You control the chart because you are the creator of the coin. You can do whatever the fuck you want. If you want to dump it, if you want to let it run, it's up to you. You don't need a big portfolio, and the more launches that you do, the more chances you have of making money. Unlike trading meme coins, bro, you can launch as many coins as you want. But trading though, well, if you have no more money in your portfolio, you cannot trade anymore. For example, here, bro, I launched around 200 coins to make all of this money, and I had to be consistent for a whole month, okay? If you are consistent, I'm sure everyone here has time to launch meme coins. Well, you guys are bound to succeed if you guys work and stay consistent. And obviously you make money from the creator fees and from the supply that you own as a dev, which I will explain furthermore in today's video. And if you guys want, bro, if I go on the blockchain and I go on any fucking coin, look at this, bam, dumped. Bang, dump to complete zero. Okay, a bunch of people bought in, bam, 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 and then boom, the dev dumped on everyone to zero. But guys, look, the process of launching a meme coin is really simple. All we're doing is looking for a narrative. It could be literally anything, right? We launch a meme coin using a certain tool, which I will explain in this video on how to use. We launch it for completely free, $0. It might cost a couple bucks for the blockchain fees, but it's not a big deal, right? And then we let the coin rip, and when the market cap is fucking high and the volume is high, well, you can cash out or you can clip profits little by little. It's up to you, and that's exactly why I'm making this video, bro. If you want a strategy that is way more profitable than trading, or if I could say way safer than trading, right? Well, this video is for you. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only, okay? I am just here to educate you guys on how it works, on how devs make their coins. I am not a financial advisor, bro. I do not advise anything, so please do your own research. Now, to make coins, bro, most people make their coins on Pump.Fun, right? But there's a problem. The main goal as a dev is to get their coins onto the Raydium DEX right here, because the Raydium DEX is basically the level 2 of a Pump.Fun coin. Once a coin reaches a certain market cap, in this case it's $45,000, once the coin reaches a $45,000 market cap, it gets migrated to Raydium and it gets viewed to thousands of people. If your coin cannot get migrated to Raydium, it will go nowhere, no one will buy it. Let me just be straight up with you. But there's a way to skip the entire bonding curve and to go straight to Raydium, and that is create meme.io. Every single coin that is launched on Create Meme goes to Raydium and it gets viewed to thousands of users, of traders everywhere on every single platform. That's exactly how you get an edge over every single other dev. It's by using this launchpad. Now, to make a coin, you could either create one from scratch by going on X, by looking for a narrative. For example, bro, you can launch a TikTok meme narrative, right? And then you can just, put the name, symbol, and image, and then launch it through the other steps. Or you can use the copy trending coins tab if you do not want to make a whole new coin from scratch, and that is exactly what I do every single day. I copy coins. Every single coin here is handpicked and placed on this list, and they all have a good narrative on Pump.Fun. They're all going viral, they all already have a community, and your job is to rip them off. So copy them and relaunch them to Raydium, right? It's actually really good because, bro, you don't have to fucking launch coins looking for narratives and just wasting your time, you can just copy coins and get a bunch of attention. Alright guys, now it's time to actually copy a coin and see how much we can make from this, okay? Now, first of all, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected and then look for a coin to copy, bro. You can click on refresh if you want to. It's up to you, right? I'm gonna copy a coin. You know what, bro? I'm gonna go simple. I'm gonna copy the X coin. Click copy the Raydium. Wait for your Phantom to just show up. And by the way, bro, ignore the warning. It's completely normal. Every single launchpad, like, all these launchpads are going to give you that warning at the beginning. After that, it will be alright. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created, bro. Just give it some time. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool first of all. Now this page is really easy. We are just creating the liquidity pool, and when that is created, it will show up in the Raydium DEX where thousands of people are going to see your coin, and that is the whole point of launching through Create Meme. You will control everything, including your liquidity pool, everything, bro. You are in full control. It's your coin. That's why we use Create Meme. Now, for the amount of X coins, click on 90%. That is what we usually do, okay? You can ask questions in the Discord if you have any questions about this feature. Just click on 90%. Right under for the amount of Solana to pair, that is the first buy into your own coin. You are not losing anything here, by the way, okay? You are just buying part of the supply into your own coin, and when you cash out later, it will come back inside your Phantom wallet. So obviously it's not completely free. You need a bit of SOL, like 0.3 SOL, but you're not losing it. You're going to get it back later. After that, click on create pool, wait for your Phantom to pop up. It takes a bit of time. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, and then click on confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and boom, the X coin is live and your profits are going to show up right there. And look, if you click on the refresh button, well, as you guys can see, we are now up $160 because people are buying our coin and they are liking the narrative. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen, okay, for you guys. For a better view of the coin, it should load in. And now as you guys can see, the coin is now live. Just give it some time for it to pump and for more attention to hit the coin, okay? The coin is going to get a lot of attention soon on the Raydium DEX. Bang! A $65 buy just came through. And I'm not going to lie, $160 right off the bat within 20 seconds is kinda decent, okay? Obviously every single coin will be different. You might be up $200, $20, $50, you never know. But yeah, bro, it's all about staying consistent and just wait for your coin to pump. You can promote your coin furthermore if you have some type of following or anything like that. It's up to you. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to load, for it to pump, and after the quick montage I will be right back and we will cash out. I will show you how to do it, so you can skip ahead if you want or watch the time lapse. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 4K market cap, 2K liquidity, a lot of volume, a lot of transactions. I think right now it's time to cash out and show you guys the payout. So come back to create meme.io and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around $2,000 in profits if we cash out right now. So be quick, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, guys, I just cashed out. Whoopsies, I just cashed out, and that's exactly how you dev coins on chain. And then you can seek results just like this if you stay consistent enough. Okay, I had to launch around 100 coins to reach 7 figures, so you only need a couple coins to go viral. This one was like semi-viral. $2,000 is not bad. You have to stay consistent. Look, in my Phantom wallet I received the payout, $1.999 on this coin. Okay, now sometimes you might make 100, even 50, even 0. You might break even. You never know. It's not a big deal, bro. If you break even just continue until one goes viral potentially. And yeah, bro, create meme.io will be linked everywhere, or just go on Google and write create meme.io. And yeah, bro, peace out and good luck to everyone. Like, comment, subscribe.